Bonjour. Deux Navigo pour une semaine.
Deux Navigo pour une semaine. Vous êtes touriste?
Non. Moi j'habite.
Italiano, ah sì, va bene.
Italiano? Poco?
No.
Ok. Ti piace mangiare?
Mangiare la pasta.
La pasta, la pizza. Ok, la pizza, i spuntini, buonissimo, mamma mia. Va bene. Na-extra tuloy siya. Okay, we're gonna buy a ticket good for 1 week. Okay. Datong lang talaga ang kulang. Okay, we're gonna buy two hot chocolates. Okay. Ah, here. So, eto na siya. This is the most exciting part, right, Ethan? This is the most exciting part dito sa Paris. Here we are. So this is it. Are you excited, guys? Oh my God. Fantastic, right? So this is it. This is the beautiful Paris. Okay. Can we buy tickets there, Ethan?
I think if we can't,
Okay.
I do online.
Okay. We will buy online. Okay. So this is it. So this is the moment that I've been waiting for. So dito Where? So, bili kami ng ticket. Then, aakyat na tayo sa Eiffel Tower. This is the most exciting part kapag nandito ka sa Paris. Oh my God. Aakyatin kita. Aakyatin natin yan. So, ang pila, oh my God. Ang haba ng pila, pero kailangan nating akyatin yan. Kailangan nating akyatin yan! Oh my goodness. So many people. Pero okay lang yan. Kaya yan, Ethan?
Huh?
Ethan, kaya? Are you sure? Sure? Okay, let's go.
If it's to go up there.
It's your first time?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Oh wow, excited siya. Excited din tong pinsan kong umakyat dahil kahit nandito siya, kahit dito siya nakatira. It's your first time, right? First time daw niya umakyat. So, para lang makita namin ang tuktok ng kalangitan. Kalangitan ng Paris. Aakyatin natin yan. This is not the good idea na makipila ka sa kalagitnaan ng This is not the good idea na makipila ka sa kalagitnaan ng lamig. It is advisable to buy online. Nanigas na siya. Oh. But anyway, malapit na kami. Malapit na kami sa booth area kung saan kami bibili ng tickets. This is our ticket and this young man is very excited. Very excited to go to the very, very, very top of the Eiffel Tower. Me too. As usual, happy din. Happy din naman. Here's the entrance. Done. Are you excited? Yes. Yes? Really? Okay. Excited daw siya eh. So, tara. Excited kaming dalawa.
Wish.
Bluetooth mo sa, ay AirDrops mo sa akin. Perfect. Oh my goodness. We are in the first floor.
No,
We are in the second floor. We are in the second floor of the tower. Let's go upstairs. One of a kind experience. So dito na kami sa pinaka rooftop. Yung laser, yung light laser nyo. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. This is our Eiffel Tower vlog. So, very nice experience. Sarap, ganda. It's a one-of-a-kind experience, kakaiba. So, thank you for watching and see you again on our next vlog.